Your Excellency, Sir Fubara, Rank Service Staff, Distinguished Service Staff of the State,
Secretary to the State Government, and the Chief of Staff to the Government House, invited guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. The new appointees, you've already taken your oath, and in what you just read here, you have a duty, most importantly, to yourself and to our dear state. This appointment is not for any political empowerment that you're appointed, you start raising or believing that you have a platform to abuse, insult, or create problem. It is an appointment to help this administration survive. Dr. Dagogo, you're a mathematician. You're in the academic. Yeah, they call you academician, maybe. So I believe that for anyone who have studied mathematics, who became very prominent and have grown to the level of being a PhD holder in mathematics, you must be a very thorough, dedicated, and very objective person. Your duty is to represent the state in the most respectful way, bearing in mind that what is important to this administration now is to succeed. What is important to this administration is to see that the good works that we started, the ones that we met, we must conclude them in a way that will bring progress and development to our dear state. Your duty includes representing the state government. You need to represent it in a way and manner that will bring honor to us. Those are the key things. And maybe other responsibility, which I believe you will get to know those ones when you get to your office. For the Chief of Staff of Government House, you're working under me. This position, you're my personal aide. It's not a position that, as you're living here now, you start holding meeting, calling people without my permission. Let me sound it here very clear. Your activity is to make sure that administratively, image making, liaising with whoever is coming for every official assignment here is handled perfectly well. If you involve yourself in nocturnal meeting and all those, I will sack you. I'm very serious. What is important to me today is peace, progress, and prosperity of this state. It is important to me. I'm not going to compromise anything for it. I believe that for those of you who have worked with me closely, you should understand that I don't say what I will not do. Maybe before, a few things might have gone wrong because of my not being very, very observant. Or maybe, let's say, I wouldn't say I was careless, but just let everything go. This time I'm not letting anything go. I'm watching everyone. Any step that will bring any form of embarrassment to this government or to my person, I assure you, will meet adequate punishment for it. It's a day of joy. Dagogo, I'm happy for you. Sonny, I'm so happy for you. And I believe that this choice that we made will be the right choice and the best thing that has happened to us at this time. I'm very sure that you will deliver on your primary assignment to our dear state and to this administration. So congratulations. Let me also say to the permanent secretaries that are here, we'll be visiting you people by next week. I know a lot of you are already retired and you're still there. There must be room for growth. I've allowed you people a lot of time, but I'm going to do something pertaining to your matter next week. So go and prepare those of you who are already retired, go and prepare your handover notes. Prepare them and keep. Not when we do anything here, I say I should give you 1 week, 2 weeks. There's no 1 week. But that doesn't mean if you can even access the monies in the account. Don't worry, you cannot even do that one. So those of you who are planning that, as you're hearing now, you want to start going to do any fraudulenting. What we are after now, whatever time that we have, is to work and make sure that we succeed as a government. And that cooperation is what I require from every one of you here. Let your mind not overskip. Everything has a beginning, will definitely have an end. So don't be too scared. But I'm just giving you heads up so that you can prepare yourself. Everyone, and please, I need all your cooperation for us to succeed. Success achieved by one is not a consolidated success. Success achieved collectively is unbreakable. For we to succeed as a government, everyone needs to come together and contribute his own quota rightly so we can make the right difference. I thank you all and I wish you
May I seek your permission to call out this? May I call out Dr. Kidagogo S.A. Okoma to step forward?
I, Dr. Kidagogo S.A. Okoma, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me. Well, I affirm that I will be faithful and bear the allegiance of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Secretary to State Government, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and directive principles, of state policy containing the constitution of federal republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my official decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the constitution of the federal republic of Nigeria. That I will abide, I will do right to all manner of people, according to the law, without fear of favor, affection, or evil, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person, any matter, who shall be brought under my consideration, or shall become known to me as Secretary to the State Government, Rivers State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Secretary for the State Government, Rivers State. So help me God.
Step forward and sign this. Thank you, Excellency.
Barrister Iroele, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. That as Chief of Staff, Government House, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances, directly or indirectly, communicates or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief of Staff, Government House, Rivers State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Chief of Staff, Government House, Rivers State. So help me God.
Step forward and sign this.
The session has come to an end. Will you please rise for the national prayer?
A very blissful afternoon. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
We invite the SSG and the Chief of Staff to join His Excellency for photographs.